All right, stand by. Pictures up.
Dress right for our viewers. I'm not in orange. Would you forgive me?
Okay.
Or I'll go to church today and ask for forgiveness because I'm not even
Lord,
back
I
to
apologize and pray for all the starving pygmies down in New Guinea.
Thank you. So how long have you been flying these things?
About 2 or 3 weeks.
So I'll let my daughter go first.
You let your daughter go first? Yeah.
And I hear that
I'm not going to fly. This is the man that's going to fly.
That's right. I heard he's one of the best.
That's what he claims.
Helicopter pilots in all of Jacksonville. We're going to go up, get a shot of the Campbell's boat. And this might not ever even make it in the movies. You guys are really behind the scenes right now, all because of this family. So we are so excited to be here, and I know Karen's readers cannot wait to get up in the air. So let's go do it.